visiting. Okay, cool. So you know New Orleans just elected their first black woman mayor. I know. Isn't that awesome? So how much would you guys think a city like New Orleans would need for a budget to operate, you know?
$5 million.
5 million.
More? 10 million.
Okay, we're gonna go 10 million. 15.
New Orleans, the whole city of New Orleans?
Yeah, the whole city.
50 billions.
Wow.
All right, so
1 billion?
It's 647 million. 647 million.
I saw that.
Now, if you were mayor, Sally, you're a mayor.
She's actually a mayor. She's the mayor of Hagerstown. Mayor.
Really? Also, y'all are from Maryland? That is cool. Y'all been enjoying yourself since you've been here?
Yes.
That's good.
Totally.
So, of $647 million, though, how much of that would you think should be going towards children and families? Percentage-wise, how much of that?
At least 13%.
I was gonna say 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's, you know, good. The more, the
Yeah.
better. What about job development? How much for people in your city?
It just depends. It depends on what's going on here and the percentage of jobs that are lacking and that's needed for the community is hard to say, but I would say at least about another 15%.
Okay, so maybe 13 for children and families and 15 for job development. What about prison and police?
I think the police need a raise because their jobs are hard, and I think the laws need to change because our people are going to jail for foolishness for a very long time, which is just feeding. I wouldn't say 30.
No?
Absolutely.
For police
not.
and prisons?
Prisons need to close, and so then maybe we wouldn't, if they weren't making so much money off of us,
True.
it would change. So I would say 10% go to raises for the police officers, and I would say 5% for prisons.
Okay, that makes sense. What if I told you that there was 63% of that $447 million going
I would say I absolutely believe it because they want to keep the prisons full because it's feeding the government, it's securing jobs, and it needs to change.
And then we have 1% for job development and 3% for children and families.
I would say New Orleans priorities are a bit misconstrued.
We learned that in the tour. Just saying, the sewage system needs to be upgraded.
Absolutely.
Can't get off the plane and it smells like sewage.
Yeah.
It's not good.
But definitely in lacking communities and considering the tragedy that has happened in New Orleans, and then when you think about rebuilding and restoring the community, you have to put the funds in place to get the results that you need.
Absolutely.
For the rebuild.
So here's a pie graph I just wanted to show you guys. That's the pie.
And I saw that.
Wow.
Isn't that ridiculous though?
That's scary.
It is. That tells you
Is
exactly
this what's been incorporated under her?
It was there last year before she was here.
So she has a chance.
She has said she intends to continue. She has said she likes that.
This is 2018 budget, yeah. So she intends to. She actually signed off on this budget from last year too.
Pray for her.
Yeah.
You have to pray for the people who are in
leadership.
and who are lawmakers. You have to pray because sometimes we say a lot to get in the positions that we aspire, but once we get there, our intentions and our
They're not
motives
the
are
only ones
different.
that make the decision. It's a gathering that comes together to make those
Yeah. But the community has to come together to the right decision.
Yes.
I think a lot of things are.
Like it's definitely the perpetuation of the status quo. You
Yeah.
know, they talk about having crime. Well, it's a lot. One of the big reasons we have crime is because we don't have jobs. We're in poverty. I'm not saying that it's right, but we
No, but it's a circumstance.
That's right.
It's a correlation. It is a reality. No jobs equals more crime.
Absolutely.
And it's not just here.
Everywhere. Everywhere. But doesn't it seem to me when you look at the budget and the way they're spending the money, it seems a bit intentional in a way.
Oh, absolutely.
You heard what she said.
Absolutely. It's a correlation to locking people up. You got people going to jail for